Okay, let's try some questions where the leading coefficients are both even and the constants are also even. So we've got a few different possibilities to consider. Right, with the 6x squared, we could get a scenario where we have 2x times 3x, or it could be that we have 6x with 1x. Okay, 6x times x is also 6x squared. Looking at the 14, I could have 1 with 7, or I could have 1 with 14, or 2 with 7. Okay, so let's say we start with the 2x and 3x. This position will be doubled, this position will be tripled. Okay, if I triple the 14, I'm going to get a really large number, like way over 25. So I'm not even going to consider trying to triple the 14. It'll come to like something like 42. So we're going to start thinking a bit smarter and estimate. If I triple the 1, I'm going to get 3. Then I would have to double the 14, which is 28, and that works. Look, adding them I get 31, but subtracting them I'm going to get 25, and 25 is what I want. So I tripled the 1. Tripling the 1 means the 1 goes here, and doubling the 14 means 14 goes there. Okay, looking at the middle term, it's positive. That means the larger gets the positive, and the larger is the 28, and a positive 14 times a positive 1 makes a positive 14. Excellent. So I didn't need to consider the 6x times x in the end. We had already found the answer. So don't feel like you need to work out every possible way to do it. You can go straight to the answer if you find it early. Let's have a go at this one. 10x squared can be broken up into 10x times x, or it could be 2x times 5x. Looking at the 4, I could have 1 with 4, or I could have 2 times 2. Okay. This position is going to be 10x times that number, so I definitely don't think I'm going to put a 4 in there. If I put a 1 in here, that means the 4 would have to go there. 10x times 1 is 10. If I add 4, I get 14x's. That's close to 13, but still not right. Okay, so don't think it's going to be that scenario. If I use this scenario, oh, hang on, I haven't considered the 2 and 2. Let's go back. If I put the 2 and 2 in, I'm going to have 20x's, take away 2x, I get as close as 18x. Still didn't work. Okay. Right, let's try this option then. And let's say I'm going to put the 4 over here and the 1 over here. 2x times 4 is 8x. 1 times 5x is 5x. And look together, that's going to make 13x's. Okay, so I got that one fairly quickly using the 1 and 4. I didn't really need to go and try 2 and 2. I already found it. The middle term is 13, positive 13, so that means the larger of these two numbers gets the positive, and 8x is greater than 5x, which means I need to assign the positive to the 4, and a positive 4 times a positive 1 will make that positive 4. And there you have it. Try those.